Are you worrying about your life after retirement? Do you want to know what activities you can take up after your retirement? Or do you want to get a sneak peek into a life of a retired person? Then do watch the full video. Hi guys, this is Anjana. Welcome to my channel. A lot of people these days are worrying about their life after retirement. They want to know how to get out of the boredom in their lives after retirement. So I thought I will make a vlog and show you a real day in the life of a retired person. So my parents are bankers. They have put in nearly 38 to 40 years of service, and they were very busy in their service time. So now it's been quite some years they're retired now, and I have not even heard once from them saying that they are bored. So I thought I will make a vlog and show you a real day in the life of a retired person. It's 6:30 a.m. and I've just got up for this, especially for shooting this video, and my parents are already up. So let's see what are they doing. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, exactly. This is 6:30 in the morning. Very bright morning, and I'm.
Day starts with coffee. We drink only the traditional filter coffee. This is the traditional filtered coffee filter.
This is the dosa batter that's ready.
Yeah, we do masala dosa and mango chutney.
Mango chutney and masala dosa is the today's recipe.
The exercise which I am going to show now is for the blood circulation for the body. ಎಂಬತ್ತು ಕೋಟಿ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಉಚಿತ ಪಡಿತರ ವಿಜಯವಾಣಿ.
No shortage of beds for COVID-19 patients in Dakshina Kannada district, says DC. Yeah, very good.
Yes, this is the smart watch which records the calories burned, heartbeat, and the steps I have taken.
It looks like someone is all ready.
Yeah, I am heading for a brisk walk.
It's 8 a.m. in the morning, 8:15, and my dad is ready to go for a brisk walk. My mom is heading towards her garden. So where are you going, Mom?
Yeah, to see my plants, how they have bloomed, and any pruning to be done. All that I do in the morning. A lot of prunings and cuttings, and seeing whether my plants need any nutrition. Yeah, it's all good now. Everything is fine. A little bit of pruning here. This is my miniature garden. Some weeds have come.
When do you water the plants?
I do it usually in the evenings at around 6:37, and the mornings, yeah, just seeing the whether any plants require any kind of fungicide and all these little bit small things.
Yeah.
It gives me a lot of pleasure, to see the garden early in the morning. So plants, the soil has to be loosened now and then we have to put little rose mix for the flowers to have evergreen flowers around the season. So little bit of rose mix and then loosening the soil is very important. That I do as and when I get time in the morning. I'm preparing the morning chutney for the dosa. So this mango is also homegrown mangoes, and the coconuts also are from our garden.
Okay, it's 10:30 a.m. and let's see what my mom is up to.
This is my new passion now after retirement. I am indulging in investment in shares and stocks, and I have a watch list in moneycontrol.com. I watch my favorite shares, and then I buy, sell. I feel very happy when I make some profit. And this is I spare about 1 hour on this shares sometimes in a day, usually in the mornings between 10:30 to 11. This is the stocks in action and my watch list. I have got I don't indulge in all scripts. A few of my favorite scripts are there.
I am writing to-do list of today's work.
Okay.
First, I have to go to market and bring vegetables and medicines, and I have to go to laundry and I have to give my clothes for laundry, and I have to come back, and I have to, after coming back from the market, I have to make a point to make the final accounts of Shadaram Rao Trust, and date has to be fixed of virtual meeting to be finalized.
What have you got?
I am coming from market purchasing several items of grocery, fruits and vegetables. I have gone there at 11:30.
It's lunchtime now. 2 o'clock is the lunchtime in our house, and now that children have come, my cooking is done and it is going to be kept behind the table. It's a buffet lunch. Its main menu is horse rasam, butterfruit kai huli, that is made out of curds, and this is bendi fry with coconut, and now it is mango season, so mango pachadi. Then the famous Mangalore dosa, neer dosa, puppets. This is jackfruit puppet, rice, curds. It's all now kept. It's for the children to come and help themselves.
Formed a charitable trust in memory of my parents. The trust gives financial aid for the education and medical purposes. Also felicitate and recognize local talents. Donations to the trust are exempted from the income tax under 80G. So, there is a lot of work and accounts has to be maintained in this aspect. So I am doing all the test work after 2 o'clock. We like to give some tips to younger generation regarding hobbies to be taken after retirement. Take up some hobbies like gardening. Have a good friend circle.
After retirement, we thought we'll be getting bored, but somehow we are more busy than we were in service. We have taken up many charitable activities. We are indulging in charitable activities. Both of us are secretaries in the Association of the Blind. We have a lot of camps. Every month we have a camp in rural areas for the poor people. And then we have our own charitable trust also. Shardaram Rao Trust, and then we go for we are active members in Mangalore Productivity Council and then Radio Listeners Club. So we keep ourselves occupied in social activities.
Help people whenever and wherever it is possible. So cultivate that habit in your life.